guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be really fun because I'm going to be doing a Sephora haul unboxing. Yay! I have the boxes right here with me, so I'm going to be unboxing them. Before I start this unboxing, I just want to say that September is my birthday month, so that's why I decided to splurge on Sephora a little bit. And also it was really surprising that they were giving a 20% off sale this time around in September. You know, usually the VIB sales are during May and November, but this time they were having it in August. So I took advantage of the sale and I hauled a whole bunch of stuff. So I cannot wait to show you guys what I got. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So we'll get started with the smaller box first. So I'm just gonna cut that open. Without giving too much away, I just want to say that I'm a Libra, so if there are any fellow Libras out there, please come and say hi. I hauled mostly makeup this time around and just a few skincare items, but not a whole lot because my last haul in May was mostly skincare. So the first item I got is this beautiful Norvina palette by ABH. If you guys are following me, you know how much I love Soft Glam palette. That's one of my favorite palettes this year. So I was quite excited to try out the Norvina palette as well. So these are the colors right here. You know, these are your beautiful purples and pinks. So I'm very excited to try it out. So the plan is to actually try out these products off camera, and then I'll sit down and do a kind of review video for you guys, telling you what I liked, what I didn't like, and do a tutorial with these. So looking at this palette right now, I feel like they could have added or gone up more with a little bit cooler tone burgundies or deep purples, you know, cooler tone purples. They could have made this palette really outstanding. I mean, I'm not going to doubt the formula because a lot of people said good things about it, but my only critique for this palette right now is that it's missing a few cooler tones. Next up we have Milk Makeup. This is the carton right here. This is the translucent powder in translucent medium. Basically they released new powders and I just wanted to try it out. This is my second item from Milk Makeup. I have not tried much of Milk Makeup. They're kind of hit and miss from what I hear from other people, but I really wanted to try out this powder. So this powder is actually called the Blur Plus Set Matte Loose Setting Powder, in case I didn't say that before. Okay, so next up I got a product from Becca. This one has been getting a lot of hype. This is the Becca Skin Love Glow Elixir, and it is like a serum slash primer. I feel that's what it's targeted as. So this is what it looks like. It is a really beautiful bottle and it says it's the Glow Elixir Glow Nectar Brightening Hydra Complex. I mean, that just sounds so perfect. Oh, it smells really good too. Oh my gosh. Wow, this smells really good, you guys. Again, I didn't actually get much Becca products in the last few months, but this was the one that I really wanted to try from their brand. So next up we have the Natasha Denona Super Glow Extreme Shine Highlighting Powder. I got this one in the light to medium shade. So Natasha Denona released 3 shades in the Super Glow highlighter. One is light, the other one is light to medium, and then there's medium to deep. The medium to deep is a lot more golden, so I picked up the light to medium. So let's hope that it doesn't look too ashy on my skin. But this is the color right here. It is very beautiful. I don't want to swatch it just now, but it is a very beautiful compact. I love Natasha Denona blushes, highlighters, all of that. So whenever she released this one, I was like, yeah, I need to get that, you know. So I picked up a blush duo from Jouer, and before I show it to you, I just wanted to say that I'm so excited that Jouer is finally at Sephora. I mean, for those of us who are in Canada, we always had to buy it from Beautylish, which is, again, like, it's not bad, but I rather not you know, pay any duties or anything like that. So I'm happy that they are in Sephora, so I can, you know, buy as much Jouer as I want. And I love their lip products. You know, I have their foundation, so I have a lot of Jouer products. So this is the blush duo right here. It is in the shade Coquette. Has a cool tone blush on one side and a lighter version of that. Because I do own a lot of warm tone blushes, so I wanted to pick up this cool tone blush from Jouer. So I'm quite excited to try out the formula. I've heard really good things about this blush duo. So that was one box done. We're gonna move on to the second box right here. Also, like, I'm so excited that Sephora is finally, like, you know, upping their sales, and like they're offering so many more discounts, and their sales section is so good recently. I think that they're just trying to offer more to their customers, and I'm loving that right now. Like, I'm loving that as a Rouge member, I get to have so many more perks because, you know, we spend so much more on makeup in general. For a while, a lot of people used to say, oh, Ulta has the best rewards program, you know, Sephora does nothing, and I'm glad Sephora is listening to their customers. Okay, so we're gonna switch over to some beauty products that I hauled. First up, right in front of me is this Briogeo Rosarco Milk Reparative leave-in conditioning spray. So I had a trial version of this, like a smaller, like a sample size of this, and I love this leave-in conditioner. I have it in my hair today. It is really, really good. So I decided to pick up the bigger size, basically the, you know, the original size of this. So Briogeo is good because, you know, it has no sulfates, no paraben, no silicone, no phthalates, no artificial colors. So all in all, it's a really good hair care brand. Next up, I have a mask right here. This is called the Saturday Skin Quench Intense Hydration Mask. Now, if you saw my last haul video, which I'll link in the info box above, I got a moisturizer from Saturday Skin, and I've been loving that moisturizer. So I thought, you know what, why don't I get a mask to try out from them and see how it is. So the last skincare item that I got were a few of these eye masks. These are the Wonder Beauty Baggage Claim Gold eye masks. I have seen these everywhere on social media, partially because, you know, the masks are pretty much in gold, gold foil. They look so cool when people put it up on social media. So because they looked really good and heard a few good reviews about them, so I'm excited to put these to the test and see how they are. You know, I think my mom will love these eye masks because she has really dark under eyes, so she will probably get a little bit more help with eye masks than I usually do. So I usually don't buy eye masks, but I wanted to give these a go. Okay, we're gonna switch back to makeup now, and next up is another primer I got. This is the Tatcha the Silk Canvas Finish Protective Primer. You know, I went back and forth between if I wanted to try this primer out or not, you know, if it was good for combination skin or not, and I just gave in because I love Tatcha. I have so many Tatcha products, so I was like, you know what, let me try this. If I don't like it, I can always return it. And a lot of people have said that it's so luxurious, and this is the spatula that you will use to pick up the product from this Tatcha thing. Oh my god, look at this. It smells so good. You know, it smells like the setting mist. I have the setting mist. I'm almost run out of it. Yeah, it is, oh my gosh, it is so beautiful, you guys. Like, their packaging is top notch. I mean, I know they charge a lot, but literally Tatcha is like skincare dreams. Alright, so next up I have a Nudestix blush. Now, if you follow me on my channel, you know that I love Nudestix as a brand. I love quick and easy makeup, so I got one of their blushes. This one is in the shade In the Nude, and it is this gorgeous kind of blush nude color right here. So pretty. Yeah, I just love stick makeup in general. I have a whole video dedicated on how to use stick makeup. Again, I'll link that in the info box so you guys can check that out. So I got this Hourglass Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel. Again, this has been sold out at Sephora a bunch of times. This is just a brow gel, really. You know, nothing special about it. But this is the wand right here. So I hope you guys can see that it is a really cool wand. And anyways, guys, I love Hourglass too as a brand, so... Okay, next up I got something from Fenty. It's been a while since I got something from Fenty Beauty. They have been releasing products that are just not, I don't know, they're just not my favorite. Like those, you know, those duo highlighters that they released recently, like in the summertime. The colors were so off for me that I just didn't want to buy them, you know. I know that Fenty is trying to be like innovative with their makeup products, which I don't blame them. I mean, that's a good thing. But I'm just not vibing with their products right now. So the only thing I got is this beautiful Fenty eyeliner. and I've heard again good things about this, so I'm excited to try it out. I'm gonna show you the tip of this. It's a pretty sharp tip, so I think you can get a really precise line out of this. Why do I keep saying that, like excited to try it out? Of course I'm gonna be excited to try it out. I spent all this money on this makeup. Oh my god, what's wrong with me? Okay, next up I got this Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. It is in a big bottle right here. Like, concealers are usually not this big. I wouldn't say it's travel friendly because it's so bulky, but I do love the Born This Way foundation, so I really wanted to try out the concealer to see if it is any good. Yeah, the Born This Way foundation has been a favorite for a long time, so I'm excited that they brought out a concealer. I am so in love with the Stila glitter and shimmer products. Like, oh my gosh, they make the best glitter and shimmer products. So this one I got, this is a beautiful blue shade. This is in the shade Vivid Sapphire, and I'm going to swatch that for you guys. Do you see that blue? To die for, you guys. Like, oh my god, this is literally like, I'm obsessed with Stila shimmers, and I buy 1 or 2 of those in every haul. This time I stopped myself and I only got the blue one because it was really unique and very inky blue. Like, gorgeous color. So second last product, I have a Bobbi Brown foundation stick. This is the Bobbi Brown Skin Foundation Stick. Now, I think this is an older product. Like, it's not new by any means, I don't think. When I tried it in store, I wanted a good stick foundation as well, like other than the Hourglass one that I have in Sephora. I tried this foundation on, and I tried it on the whole day, and my skin looked really good. So this is a product that I already know looks good on me, so I bought it during the sale. Okay, so I have 2 lip products to share with you guys. First off is this Sephora liquid lipstick. This one is in the shade 94. So look at this color. Like, it is not as red as my lipstick, but it is more that pinky red, and it's a liquid lipstick, so it's gonna look really amazing in the fall time. And then one of the last lip products is another Becca product. This is the Endless Summer Glow by Chrissy Teigen, and this is a beautiful gloss. This is a beautiful like mauve shade. Yeah, this is your like typical everyday mauvey gloss. Really pretty. All right, so that's it from me. This is all the stuff that I hauled today, and I'm glad I get to share these haul videos with you guys. It is literally like the best types of videos that I film, because even I get excited when I unbox and I want to swatch and I want to play with these products. If you guys enjoyed this video, then make sure to hit that like button, share, and subscribe to my channel so that you can come back here for more good content. Have a great day or night wherever you are.